Now, the second reason I sometimes use add billing is when I'm adding the COVID eligibility number. Now, again, if you wanted to know when you can bill this, you would go back to that website, the MBS Online Medicare Benefits Schedule. 93644 is the number that we use. Search this item only and press the hourglass. And then, as always, you would have to go to the explanatory notes and then read through this. But effectively, if you have the COVID vaccines in stock, ready to administer there and then whilst you're doing your COVID eligibility, and in the past, you also had to do the vaccination e-learning for the COVID boosters. If you fulfill all of those Medicare criteria that are listed here on the website, then you can bill that number. And I really can't explain why this is the case, but apparently when reception tries to bill, say your standard 23 and then add in a bulk bill 93644, the system just won't make it work. And so what they have to do is they have to write down the patient, and later on they have to create a second billing and then manually add in that number and write unrelated to. So again, that's really complicated. Reception gets really busy, and it is very common, unfortunately, for them to miss those numbers. And so rather than me every day printing out my report, realizing that we're missing a few numbers, going back to them, can you please put this through? It just ended up being way easier for me to just do those numbers myself. And so again, just like last time, you go into Open, Billing, and New Account, and then you make sure that it's bulk billed. And then typically, because I generally check my reports the following day, I often do have to bring this back one day because that's when the actual service was provided, but they didn't put through the billing for some reason. So at this point, you're adding the number just like last time, 93644. You're choosing the vaccine suitability number, and just be mindful that if you are in an out of hours setting, the number is different. 93653. So just remember to use that one. So we're going to go back to the original number, add. Now it is important to write here in the notes, unrelated to 23, for instance. And that generally does go through. You press store and that's gone through. As you can see right here, this is something that I did just a few days ago for this patient, and it looks like it had been paid. Again, we're going to remove this, just cancel, service not provided. Right, so I hope that was useful, and at least that gives you a little bit more control in terms of managing your billings.